In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up contacts in HubSpot. Whether you're managing a small business or a large organization, keeping your contact list clean and organized can greatly enhance your customer relationship processes and ensure your marketing efforts are reaching the right audience. Let's dive into how you can tidy up your HubSpot contacts efficiently. First, open a web browser and head to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not familiar, HubSpot is a comprehensive platform designed to support your business's marketing, sales, and service needs. Once on the homepage, it's time to log in. You should find the login button prominently displayed, usually in the upper right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials, your username and password, to gain access to your HubSpot dashboard. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and your account details handy for a smooth login process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot homepage. This is your command center where you can view various sections such as marketing, sales, and service. For our task today, we're focusing on CRM, the backbone of your contact management strategy. Locate and click on the CRM section. This is where you can access all the functionalities tied to managing your contact list, including viewing, editing, and organizing your contacts. After entering the CRM section, your next destination will be the Contacts section. Click on Contacts to open up your contact database. Here you'll find a compiled list of all people and organizations with whom your business communicates. Reviewing this list regularly can help ensure it's up to date and free from unnecessary clutter such as duplicate entries or outdated information. Now look for the data quality feature. Click on data quality. This is a powerful tool within HubSpot that helps you maintain a clean and accurate contact list. It checks for inconsistencies, duplicates, and other data issues that could hinder your operations or skew marketing efforts. This feature makes it easier to identify contacts that need to be merged or corrected, ultimately helping you maintain a pristine database. As you work through these steps, remember to periodically audit your contact list to ensure they remain current and beneficial to your business goals. Effective contact management is an ongoing process, and taking small but regular steps like these can help maintain the integrity of your data, streamline communication, and enhance overall business efficiency. That's it. Follow these simple steps and you'll have a neat and organized contact list in HubSpot in no time. Keeping your contacts cleaned and updated not only aids in delivering targeted marketing, but also improves your relationship management across the board. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips help streamline your contact management process. Have a productive day.